Hello, my beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well. It's Daryl Sylvester here. I'm excited to announce about my upcoming show happening the 29th of this month. Um, I just want to invite the young people. So, all the young people of surrounding areas in Eerste, I would like to invite you guys to my show. Tickets only 30 Rand. And children under 12, 15 Rand. So, pull through, come out in numbers. It's gonna be awesome, guys. You don't want to miss the show. Um, tell your family, tell your friends to pull through, pull up in numbers. Um, I have amazing lineup full of artists, as you guys can see on the poster. The show not to be missed, guys. Show starts at doors open 4:30, and show kicks off 5 o'clock till 8:30. So, guys, there will also be refreshments at the venue. So you guys don't want to miss this. We're gonna have an awesome time. Like to see you there. Much love.